I mean, generally my fit up, Like a small match I go on out there twin of the day, Cardo Park. Yeah. Prospect man place, you hear? Cardo Park to the world. Yeah. You see, P? All the sunset that are there, yo, amazing. You see it? So like, I don't really know much I go on, but them boy they are going fit up themselves. You see me say daddy? Crazy thing, man. Georgia, no. You want to Port Antonio, Portland, Jamaica to the world. Cardo Park in a Porty. And the youth them out on them field, one of the best field in the world. We're born so, make so we no dig down now, we forget this. Not even stadium can test this. Cardo Park. Veteran TV. Prospect man. Prospect with the best football ground in the world. Prospect is there. Stadium. Shoot to the goal. Mad. You see daddy? Watch you know, watch you know. Shoot to the goal. It's like a friendly match going on, Ja. Nice and easy them do it, And this look like more than, but I don't know. Our two different sides upon the field, daddy. Crazy.
Yeah, maestro.
Yeah, man, a crazy thing, man. It's like a friendly match. You see that? Crazy.